This video will show you how you can add a video to a Google Sheets cell. This is the best and easiest way to do this. So here I am on Google Sheets, we're going to add a video together. So what I would recommend you do is first have your video on your computer. So I have this video of London, which we're going to get on Google Sheets. So you've probably got your Google Sheets open. You also need to open up a new tab and go into Google Drive. So if you've got Sheets open, you can go to the Google Apps icon in the top right. Then you can click here and head over to Google Drive as well. Once you're in Drive, just make sure you are in the same account on Google Sheets that you are Google Drive. Then if you go to New in the top left hand corner, then click File Upload. You can then upload your video file to Google Drive. Once you've got the video uploaded, you then need to go to Recent, and then you should be able to find it. So here it is. You want to right click on the video, then go to Share, and then click on Share again. Once you've done that, change the general access from restricted to anyone with the link, and then go ahead and simply copy the link. Once you've got the link copied, you need to choose the cell that you want to add the video to. I'll just add it to this one here by the description. Right click on it, then click Insert Link, and then paste in the link of your video and click OK. Now, once the video has processed, you'll be able to see it here. Now, once the video has processed, if someone was to hover over the Google Sheet, either you or anyone that you shared the sheet with, they'll be able to then see this video attached. They'll then be able to click on it. It will then redirect them to a new window. And here the video will play and they will be able to watch it. So this is a great way to get video in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and comment if this helped.